Good morning, children. Last 5 videos we have to finish the first chapter, measurement. Next, book back. Choose the best answer. You first watch 5 videos, okay? Understand the concept, then do the work. Which one of the following system of unit is the British system of unit? CCS, MKS, FPS, SI. Which one? FPS. The electric current belongs to quantities base, supplementary, derived, provisional. Which one? Base. This is belongs to the electric current, belongs to base. SI unit of temperature is Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Ampere. Which one? SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Next, amount of substance. This is definition. See, directly proportional to the number of the atoms, inversely proportional to the number of atoms, directly proportional to the square of number of atoms, inversely proportional to the square of number of atoms. Which one? Directly. See next, luminous intensity is the intensity of laser light, UV light, visible light, IR light. Which one? Visible light. Next, see which one of the following device used to measure the electric current? Which is measure the electric current? I'm already saw that one picture. See, right? Ammeter. Which one? Measure the electric current? Ammeter. You look at the picture. See. Now see, observe the picture. Which is correct picture? Correct. Answer is B. Ammeter. Okay. Next, SI unit stand for International System of Unit, Integrated System of Unit, International Symbol of Units, Integrated Symbol of Units. Which one? International System of Units. Next, closeness of two or more measured values called as precision. Okay, that all I told you. You first recall the 4 videos, then only do the work. Quantities other than the base quantities are called derived quantities. Which of the following statements about approximation is wrong? Approximation is not a correct value. Okay, I told you already, approximation is not a accurate value. Assumption சொல்றதுன்னு சொல்றது. So approximate gives accurate value. Approximation simplifying the calculations. Approximation is a very useful when little information is available. Approximation gives the nearest value only. This is which statement is wrong? Approximation gives accurate value. This is not correct. So this is only wrong statement. Extra Phillips. The solid angle is measured in a steradian. Solid angle is measured in steradian. Dash is recognized the need standard units of physical quantities. Who shall recognize this? SI unit? Scientist. Because different countries measure the different value. That's why scientists decide one standard unit. The coldness or hotness of a substance is expressed by temperature. Okay. Dash is the user measure electric current. Which one? Ammeter. Dash substance contains this 6.023 into 10 power 23. This 1 mole. Luminous intensity amount of visible light that is emitted unit area per which one? Solid angle. Quartz clocks used electronic oscillations. The uncertainty measured is called error. Dash is the coldness of the measured value to the original value. Accuracy. The intersection of two straight lines gives us plane angle. This all you know, children. Everyone you know. Okay, that's why I told you 5 videos must watch carefully, then do the work. Then say match. This is temperature. Temperature which one? Measure the hotness of coldness. இப்போ நீ ஃபீவராக இருக்கியா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி மெஷர் பண்ணுறோம், அதுதான் டெம்பரேச்சர். Plane angle. Angle formed by intersection of two planes. Solid angle. Angle formed by the intersection of 3 or more. Accuracy. Closeness to the actual value. அவ்வளோதான். Precision. Close to or more measurement. Okay children. I hope that book back you can understood. I give some question, then do the work. Next class I will meet to next session. Thank you.